We got Josh lighting up the Gulliver for us. Just got the Millie going to the side. We did extend up the pipe the other day on the Millie because you can tell it's higher than the one on the Gulliver because it kind of just needed that extra draft. But you can see the Millie took off nice. I can hear the fire cracking. And I'm having such a beautiful time on the lake with my stoves, you guys. Truly, dreams come in. True. Manifesting. It's great because when you love what you do, it's not really work. It's just fun. I mean, I'm having fun. Been here filming for 3 days and then, of course, the drive getting here. But it's fun. We're having fun. And I'm with my family, and we're able to bring our children, which is such a blessing. I get to spend some time with my dad, who's helping me out. Yeah, we're having a wonderful time. Thanks, babe, for lighting my stove.